Good day to all of you. Today we will discuss walls, how to draw walls in our complete Autocad training course. This is our lesson 18. This is part of the layer command, and this is the walls. The layer name, we will go to the layer walls with color cyan continuous line weight 0.4. So this is the walls that we will draw today. It is composed of the external wall, the walls outside the house or encompassing the house. That's external wall. And these are regarded as internal walls, walls inside the house. So this is we will base our drawing in this slide. We'll draw the walls. Internal wall has a thickness of 0.10, while external walls has a thickness of 0.15 meters. So let's go to AutoCAD. This is our drawing. This is our previous drawing where we draw the roof line. So to draw the walls, we need to make the guidelines the current layer. So make the guidelines the current layer, and from this we can see that we will use these guidelines to draw the walls. So this is the roof line, then these are the walls. So in our AutoCAD files, these are the walls. So to draw that, we use span. To draw that, we will extrude this 0.075 to the left, 0.075 on this side and 0.075 on this side to make it 0.15. So let's do it. So the command is offset. Type in the command line offset. Offset. Type in the command line offset. Enter. The offset distance is 0.075. 0.075 on each side of the walls. Enter. So we will offset these guidelines. Offset on this side. Also this one. Offset. So again, offset. O75. Enter. Offset on this side. Offset again on this side. Also this one. Select object to offset. Also on the other side. So this will be the wall. So let's make it walls. Let's make it from guidelines, we convert it into wall. Also this one, this is a wall. Or you can use match properties. Source object is walls. From guidelines, we convert it into a wall. Also this one, you convert it into a wall, convert it into a wall. Okay, let's look at our handouts. Okay. And also this side. This is a wall and this is a wall. Let's go back to our Autocad drawing. So let's offset this. Offset. Same distance, o 75. So enter. So object to offset. Offset it on this side. Offset it on the other side also. Then we convert it into a wall. Click it. Then convert it into a wall. Also this one. Convert it into a wall. Let's see our slide. We have this. So this one we will also convert. This one is also an external wall. Okay. According to our handout, let's see our handout. Okay, from her handout, this is 1.5. 1.5 meters. Zoom it. Let's see. So we need to offset these guidelines into a 1.5 so that we can generate this line. Okay. Offset by 1.5. 1.5. Enter. on this side. So let's see. From our handout, this is it. $1.5. Okay. $1.5. And we need to also offset this. Offset by 0.075. Also on the other side. And convert this into a wall. Convert it into a wall. Also, from our handout, this is 4. So from these guidelines up to these guidelines, we will offset 4 to get this line. Okay. Again, let's see it. 4 from this guidelines. Okay. So from these guidelines, we will offset it by 4. Okay, offset by 4 meters. Select object to offset, and on this side. Okay. Okay, this is it. So we need also to offset it. Offset by 0.075. Enter. Then convert it also into a wall. Convert it also into a wall. Okay. So now we have this. We turn off other layers. So we turn off the roof line. We turn off the guidelines. Okay. From this, we need to trim. So let's trim. This is our walls. These are our walls. Okay, let's trim. trim. In the command line, type trim. Enter. Select objects all. Enter. 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 Okay, again. Trim. Select objects all. Trim. Again. Trim. Enter. Again. Trim. All. Enter. Select objects. So we need to trim this. Trim, 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 trim. Oh, undo. Okay, let's activate the roof line. The roof. Okay. Let's trim. Let's trim all. So let's trim this, trim this, trim this, trim this, trim this. Let's trim this. Let's trim this. Okay, let's see our. Let's trim this. Okay. Be careful when trimming because you might trim other lines that are necessary, just like this roof line. So we need to repair it. Roof. So I'll have a line select first point. I should be an end point of this one up to the shift right click end point of this line. Enter. Also, this firewall has been trimmed, so we need to repair it. Okay, I'll do that later. So the objective is to trim first the walls. So trim, enter, enter, trim, select objects all, trim objects, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, trim, okay, let's erase unnecessary wall lines. Let's erase this. Erase this one. Erase this. We have to zoom in that we can erase unnecessary external wall lines. Okay, we need to turn off the roof line. Let's make the walls the current layer. And let's turn off the roof. Okay. So we need to trim this. trim all. Let's trim it. Also this one. Also these ones. Let's erase this. And trim all. Let's erase this one. Enter. Erase this one. Okay, let's erase it. So also this one. So trim again. Enter. And on this side, trim and trim. Again, trim, enter. Let's select this one and select this one. On the other side, let's trim this and also this. We now have drawn our external wall, but we need to repair this one, the firewalls. So line, first point, shift, right click, end point up to this end point also. Enter. But we need to make this a firewall. Convert it into a firewall. So also this one, line, shift, right click, choose endpoint, shift, right click, another endpoint again. So now we now have the external wall, but we need to repair this also. Make the property line the current layer, and line first point is the end point also. Enter. So let's see the roof. So we now have the external wall. We now have the external wall. We need to draw the internal wall also. So from these guidelines, we need to up to this is offsetted by 3 so that we can create this internal wall. So let's go to Autocad. Let's activate the guidelines. So we need to offset this by, so let's erase these guidelines. We already have these guidelines from our previous drawing. We need to offset this by, because this is an internal wall, we need to offset this by 0.05 on both sides, because the total thickness of the internal wall is 0.10. So for this one, offset by 0.05, not 0.05. Offset by 0.025, because the total thickness is 0.05 meter. So offset this by, and also this one. Again, so not 0.025 but 0.05. Offset, enter 0.05, because the total thickness is 0.10. So let's offset this on this side, offset this on this side. Also this one, offset on this side, offset on this side. Also this one, offset on this side, offset on this side. Also this one, offset on this side, offset on this side. Then from our handout, so this we need to offset this also. We need to remove these guidelines. I have already used it. So this one, we need to offset it also. Offset, same distance, 0.05, enter. Let's undo it. Offset, enter. Again, 0.05 distance on this side and on this side also. Then we convert this into wall. From a guideline, we convert it into a wall. Also the other one. So this is also a wall. Escape. So we use this match properties. So we make the walls the current layer. So match properties. Make this a wall. We make this a wall. So we're not sure which one is the guideline. So to do that, let's draw a line from this intersection up to this intersection also. Enter. Then li, we type in a command line list. So that's 1.7. So escape. Okay, let's go to our handout. $1.75. Okay, from this guidelines up to these guidelines, it's 1.75. So I think this is the guidelines that we are looking. So okay, offset 0.5. Enter. So we convert it into a wall. Also the other one. So enter. So we need to do lots of trimming. Trim. Let's hide the guidelines. Let's turn off the guideline. And do some trimming. So trim, enter, all. So we need to trim this, trim this, trim this, trim this. Also this one. This one, this one. Again, trim, all, select objects. Let's trim this, enter. Again, trim, all, enter. So C for crossing. So first corner, second corner. So trim, opposite corner. Trim, Let's trim this. Enter. Let's trim this. Be careful not to trim other layers. These are trimmable. Also this one. Also this one. Let's trim it. Trimmed it. Enter. Let's try typing crossing here. First corner, second corner. Enter. So let's erase this. Erase this. Erase this. Erase this. Erase this. So we need some repairing to do because I have trimmed this roof line. So again, trim. Enter. Let's trim this. Select objects, all. Trim. All. Enter. Enter. Trim. Trim. All. Trim. All. Crossing polygon. Trim. All. Select objects to trim. Okay, let's type pens. C, trim, select objects, enter. So we need to erase this. Erase, erase, erase. How about this one? Let's erase this. Erase, erase, erase. Let's erase this also. What is this? Why can't I erase this one? So I just offset this. Offset by 0.15. 0.1 because this is an internal wall. So trim, select objects all. Okay, we need to trim this. Okay, also this one. Let's erase this. Erase. And trim. Again, the command is trim, objects all. Let's trim it. Let's trim. Let's undo. Okay, trim. Enter. So let's trim this one. Trim this one. Trim this one. Trim. 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 Let's trim. Let's undo it again. Trim. Enter. Enter. The command is trim. Enter. Enter. Let's erase this. Let's trim this also. Trim all. Select objects, enter. Enter. Then let's erase this. Escape. Trim. Select objects, all. Let's trim this. And let's erase this one. Let's trim. All. Select objects, enter. Let's trim this. Trim, 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 enter. Let's erase this one. Let's go on this area. Let's turn off the roof. Okay. Trim. Escape. Trim. All. Select objects, enter. Then let's trim this. Okay. Let's trim this one and trim this one. Okay, escape. Let's erase this. Let's go to this area. Again, the command is trim. Enter. trim all, select objects, enter. Then this is the part that we go on trimming. Escape. Okay, let's go to this area. Escape. Escape the pan, trim, enter. The command again is trim, select objects, all, trim, select objects, enter. Delete. Let's see if we have trim it all. So this area, let's trim it. Trim all, enter. So let's erase this. Trim. Oh, let's turn up the guidelines. Okay, let's turn on the guidelines because we should not be undo. Okay, we will be using this two guidelines later. So we need not to delete it. So we have drawn the outer wall and the inner wall. But we need to draw also from our handouts, we need to draw this. Okay, from our guidelines, we need to draw this. We need to draw this, two squares, two rectangles. From this guideline, 0.5. From this 0.3. 0.3 and 0.3. Okay. This is the roof line to get the center. Okay. We will use this guideline, the guideline here, and the roof line. So we need to activate the roof line. So from the roof, it is 0.5. Okay. Offset by 0.5. Enter. So this is it. From this guideline, 4 meters. Oh, it's not. So offset by 4. Enter. So this one. From that, this is the center of that. 0.3, 0.15. This is 0.3. 0.3. Okay. So offset 0.15. So object to offset this one. Okay, let's see. So 0.15. So okay. So we need to convert this into a wall. So match properties. Source object is the wall. So we convert this into a wall. And we go on trimming. Trim. Object all. So trim this. Then we erase the unnecessary lines, the excess lines. So now we are finished with the walls. Let's look at it. We need to repair this first. So we make the roof, the current layer, line, endpoint, shift right click, endpoint into another endpoint. Enter. Delete. Line from an endpoint of this line onto the intersection of these two lines. So enter. So let's see. Let's turn off the guidelines. Let's turn off the guidelines. We can see the roof line, the walls. Let's turn off the guideline. Turn off the roof. Okay, we cannot turn off the current layer. So let's go to the walls. Let's turn off the roof. So these are the external wall and the internal wall. So that's it. That's our lesson for today. How to draw walls. So let's turn off the firewall. Let's turn off the property line. So these are the walls, the external wall and the internal wall. So don't forget to save your drawing. So let's save this. File, save as. Again, let's save it. It's taking time. Floor plan 2D. Let's save it first. Yes. Then save it. I'm gonna save it after walls. Save.